Erik Larson. I'm the lead provider at Larson Mental Health. At our practice, we provide medication management, psychotherapy for a wide range of mental health conditions. We have offices in Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins. COVID-19 has impacted our business by causing a disruption in patient scheduling and impacting our ability to see patients in person. As a result, we've changed our practice to be primarily telehealth-based. COVID-19 has led us to adapt and improvise in order to continue to maintain high-quality care for our patients. In addition to rapidly implementing telehealth, we've continued to offer inpatient appointments as well as maintain contact with our patients via the telephone, and have even provided an occasional house call. I'd like people to know that it's important that they keep their mental health a priority. In today's exceptional circumstances, if you feel like you need someone to talk to, please give our office a call. You can be seen via telehealth or in person. Learn more at www.larsonmentalhealth.com.